Well, good morning. I am Jeremy Tucker, Vice President of Marketing for Nissan North America, and welcome to our Intergalactic Fireside Chat. By now, you've noticed that Nissan's collaboration with Star Wars is back again, and we have some big news to share. So big, it requires its own security detail. In fact, you could call it the biggest unboxing at the LA Auto Show. The premiere of Star Wars: The Last Jedi, opening on December the 15th, is the most anticipated event of 2017. So, I wanted to spend a few minutes today talking about the philosophy behind our collaboration with Lucasfilm and the story that Star Wars is helping Nissan tell. And it all starts with choice. In the upcoming Star Wars: The Last Jedi film, the internal struggle, in simple terms, is choosing between the light side or the dark side. As a company, Nissan is making choices and setting a course for the future in respect to how we approach electrification of vehicles and autonomous drive. The question automakers are facing right now is, do we reserve this technology for the elite and the wealthy, or do we believe in the democratization of technology to make it accessible for all? And I can tell you with great confidence that the path that Nissan has chosen is one of universal access with Nissan Intelligent Mobility. From the launch of the new, affordable 100% electric 2018 Nissan Leaf, to the announcement that our first Pro Pilot Assist equipped vehicle would be our best-selling crossover, the Nissan Rogue, at a price point of under $35,000, Nissan is making a choice and setting our course on mobility, one of more autonomy, more safety, more electrification, and more connectivity for all. So how does Star Wars fit into all of that? Well, explaining advanced safety technologies like Pro Pilot Assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot warning is challenging. How do you make it approachable and not make it seem like it's technology from a galaxy far, far away? In Star Wars, we're familiar with a symbiotic relationship between a pilot, a droid, and his craft. And just as BB-8 helps Poe Dameron command the X-Wing in his missions, Nissan Intelligent Mobility helps our drivers pilot their vehicle more successfully in life's daily adventures. Nissan Intelligent Mobility makes you a better driver, and it makes you feel more confident all along the way. You saw that in the opening spots, and today, I'm thrilled to debut the latest ad in the series. This one is part of the Nissan Master the Drive event and features the 2018 Nissan Titan.
It sees what you can't.
Get to Nissan's Master the Drive event for special holiday offers. See Star Wars: The Last Jedi, December 15th.
Our advertising highlights Nissan Intelligent Mobility and helps build awareness of the Nissan brand. However, unlike other promotions that stop there, Nissan's relationship with Lucasfilm extends all the way to the local dealerships where consumers get hands-on with our vehicles. And building off the success of last year's Rogue One: A Star Wars Story, this year, the campaign includes official Nissan vehicle accessories for die-hard fans, enabling choice, dramatic displays, including the cutting-edge virtual reality Star Wars Droid Repair Bay experience, consumer sweepstakes for delivering unforgettable opening night fan access, and even the first of its kind, see the unseen augmented reality experience in dealerships, transforming our Nissan vehicles. Now, through the lens of the Star Wars universe, augmented reality helps to educate consumers on Nissan Intelligent Mobility technologies in an innovative and experiential way. And what technology doesn't seem more approachable by being demonstrated by BB-8 and R2-D2? Now, I hope you've enjoyed the 6 amazing Star Wars show vehicles debuted this week. However, to close our chat, I thought we might save the biggest, the best, for last. And we're working with Lucasfilm designers, and as we did design our show vehicles, inspiration struck to combine the new AT-M6, the biggest, most intimidating walker in the First Order's arsenal, with the biggest vehicle in our Nissan fleet, the Nissan Titan. Ladies and gentlemen, the Titan AT-M6. Isn't it amazing? Our fleet of, thank you. Our fleet of Star Wars vehicles is now complete. And after LA, they'll be sent out to auto shows all across the country to celebrate with fans.